So I don't know if you can see that. I've just pulled over because I couldn't hear anything from the Pack Talk Edge. It has to have the app running on the phone. So I've put the app on the phone, and look, now you can see the ticks. Media connected, phone connected, Pack Talk is connected, that's all to this sat nav. So everything's connected now to the... But as soon as I turn the app on, it all connected. I'm not being funny, I don't like that. I mean, you shouldn't have to faff in your pocket for your phone to pair everything up. But anyway, that's my gripe over all this modern technology. Sometimes I wonder if technology causes more problems than it's worth. You do spend a lot, or I do anyway, I spend a lot of time at the side of the road faffing with stuff. I could be just enjoying the ride. We like a good whinge, don't we? Oh hello, I can hear it now, it's dinging because of speed cameras. Well, at least I know it's working. It's just something. I love that Airwolf taxis. Who don't like that? Love it. I used to like Airwolf. The sat nav talks to me more than wife. She's always bossing me about as well. Oh, this is a bad junction. Yep, not always easy to see around them. I'll tell you what, see, we're chucking it down this morning and I nearly didn't bother. It's lovely now, isn't it? Still got grey skies up there, but for now, sunshine. Yeah, we've got a nodding Churchill in front of us there, with Sean the sheep outside of him.
Well, it looks like I spoke too soon when I mentioned the nice weather. One minute it's sunny, the next it goes grey, and then you feel the pitter-patter of the lovely British weather.
Yeah, so a bit of rain now. It's been forecast and I've been watching it on and off. Like I say, I've had every season there is. I'm a bit lucky actually, it rains come as I'm under all these trees. So I'm not getting the worst part of it because I'm getting sheltered. I've got the spotlights on today. I did an update on the spotlights. It has like a control unit under the back seat, CAN Smart system. It's a Denali system. If anybody, you know, if you're into bikes, you've probably heard of them. I got one, and it was never performing like it should do. Anyway, since I plugged the laptop in and done a firmware update and what have you, it seems to be behaving a little bit better, which means I can use them, which is great. So I can use them as daytime running lights, so I get seen better during the day, and then obviously I've got the option of turning the brightness up if I get on a dark lane or whatever at night time. So as you can see, the weather's changed. It's absolutely chucking it down. It's gone overcast, people have got the lights on, me included. Well, saying that, they're automatic, aren't they, nowadays? But we're not turning back. Oh no, I'm already out now, so I'm going to carry on. You can't just stay in. You get more rainy days than you do dry days in Britain, so if you can't let it stop you. Otherwise you'd never do bugger all, would you? I mean, obviously there's some things you don't do in the rain, like barbecues. I know I watched my neighbour once. They started having a barbecue. I mean, points for effort and all that, not giving in. They started chucking it down. So rather than give in, they built a gazebo over the barbecue and just carried on. Can't fault them. The buggers didn't invite me either, I was starving. Net worse is, you know, when your neighbours has a barbecue and you're hungry and you can smell sausages and burgers and Oh, it's the best smell ever, innit? And you just look over your garden fence and think, bastards. Alright, just me again then. Sorry we keep getting a big fat finger in the lens, I'm just wiping it off.
You know how I said in the last video that I like squirrels? Well, look what I've found.
Speaking of squirrels, welcome to Springwood picnic site. Parking free, machine out of order. Smiley face. What a good do. Well, that was a surprise. Pulled into a car park, we got squirrels. I was just saying on the way here, didn't I like squirrels. There you go. So let's get the hell out of here, see what else we can find.
Coming up in the next video. This is Whalley Viaduct, known locally as the Whalley Arches.
I've just been filming all day today. All the footage I've got with that, it's going to go straight in the bin.
John Paslew refused to take the compulsory oath of allegiance to Henry VIII and was executed in 1537.
What the f***?